Hello everyone, we are welcome back again. We're going to solve for the value of x from this radical equation. We are given that square root of x into square root of x into square root of x is equal to square root of 3 into square root of 3, and we're asked to look for the value of x that will satisfy this equation. So the given equation is what? Square root of x into square root of x into square root of x, which is equal to square root of 3 into square root of 3. So the first thing we need to do is to remove this square root by squaring both sides of this equation. So we square the left hand side and also we square the right hand side, so that this square is going to cancel the square root. Then we are left with just x into square root of x, then square root of x, which is equal to, this square is going to cancel the square root. We have 3 root 3. So the next thing we are going to do, as you can see, we still have square root here, is to square both sides of the equation again in order to eliminate this square root. So we square the left hand side and also we square the right hand side. As you can see, this x is multiplied by the whole of the square root. So therefore, the power is going to affect x and this square root. So x to power 2 is the same as what? X squared. Then multiply by, so the square is going to cancel the square root. We are left with just x root x, which is equal to this 3 again and square root of 3. The power is going to affect both 3 and root 3. So 3 to power 2 implies 3 multiplied by 3, which is going to give us 9. Then multiply by, the square is going to cancel the square root. We are left with just 3. Now here we have x squared multiplied by x multiplied by root x. So we can multiply these two together. And remember, since they have the same basis, all we need to do is just to add the power. So this one is raised to power 1. So we have x raised to the power of 3. When you multiply these two, then root x, which is equal to 9 multiplied by 3 is going to give us 27. Now the next thing we are going to do is to take the square root of both sides again to remove this last square root. So we take the square root of the left hand side and also the square root of the right hand side, so that this x to power 3 square imply we are going to multiply the two power together. 3 multiplied by 2 is going to give us x raised to the power of 6. Then multiply by, the square is going to cancel the square root. We are left with just x, which is equal to 27 square imply 27 multiplied by 27, which is going to give us 729. Now the next thing we are going to do, as you can see, this x can also be written as x raised to the power of 1, and x multiplied by x raised to the power of 6 multiplied by x raised to the power of 1. So we just write one of the base, which is x, then we add the power, which is going to give us x to power 7, which is going to be equal to 729. Remember, we are looking for the value of x, and here we have x raised to the power of 7. So how are we going to do to eliminate the 7? We can raise both sides of this equation by 1 over 7, and also here 1 over 7, so that this 7 here is going to cancel this 7. X to power 1 is the same as x, which is equal to 729 raised to the power of 1 over 7. And this can also be written as what? Seventh root of 729. So it's either this and this, they are the same. So here is the value of x that satisfies this given radical equation. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this.